Hi Earthlings! Greetings for everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We are always on the lookout for all natural alternatives to over-the-counter or prescription medication. It seems that we found one in lemon juice and olive oil. In today's video, we will discuss the health benefits of mixing the two. While you are not going to cure major diseases when drinking olive oil and lemon juice, this mixture has been shown to reduce problematic symptoms and prevent complications. Now, let's discuss. 1. Detox the body. Lemon juice and olive oil are both known substances for detoxifying your body. They can rid your body of harmful toxins. They also help to clean your gallbladder and liver and help to protect them against damaging particles. 2. Relieves constipation. Olive oil is a natural laxative that helps to keep your bowels moving and comfortable. Lemon juice is an anti-inflammatory and helps to relieve any swelling of the intestines and the abdominal wall. The mixture of the two does wonders for your stomach as it keeps your bowels moving, relieves painful gas, and reduces abdominal stress. 3. Benefits hair, skin, and nails. The mixture of olive oil and lemon juice helps to keep your nails moist and strong. The mixture can even be added directly to your cuticles to keep them healthy and reduce the chances of growing a hangnail. The lemon juice also fights germs and cleans your skin, so it also reduces or rids your scalp of dandruff. 4. Cholesterol. This mixture can bring down high levels of bad cholesterol while simultaneously increasing your good cholesterol. It can also help to keep your joints moving smoothly and minimizes stress on your joints and bones. 5. Helps with circulation. Olive oil helps increase the blood flow throughout your body and prevents blood clots from forming. Along with consuming the olive oil and lemon juice mixture, you can even apply it directly to your skin to prevent and reduce the appearance of varicose veins. 6. Fights abdominal fat. While this mixture will not burn your fat, it can help you to remove excess weight. The mixture helps your body to digest fats better and increase your metabolism. The mixture contains fatty acids that are important to your body because they help to get rid of excess water weight and burn excess fat in your stomach. 7. Helps with blood pressure. Consuming some olive oil and lemon juice for breakfast will make sure your blood pressure stays stable and does not spike up. It will also help to make your heart rate more regularly. This is because lemons and olive fight toxins and contains essential minerals. 8. Fights premature aging. Just 1 spoonful of this mixture every day will keep your skin healthy and youthful. The mixture contains vitamin E, which is essential in fighting wrinkles, arthritis, and heart disease. The mixture also contains monosaturated fats, essential minerals that help your organs and your digestive system to function properly. So, now that you know the benefits of mixing olive oil and lemon juice, you are likely wondering how it is made. It is important that you do not take more than 1 spoonful of this mixture per day. If you do, you may experience some ill side effects. Ingredients: half tablespoon olive oil, half tablespoon fresh lemon juice. What to do? Mix the 2 ingredients together and consume 1/2 hour before breakfast. While you can use this mixture every day, you will want to consume it at least 3 times per week to experience positive effects. Are you going to try this mixture? Let us know what you think in our comment section.